Alright, dito naman tayo sa isang balita, reaction video, Pinas. Ayan, Pinas balita ngayon. Ano ang balita ngayon sa LTFRB? Denies alleged by corruption in implementation of PUB-MP. At panoorin po natin ano nang kalagayan ngayon ng mga PUB. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye. Alright, no other further ado, let's watch. Let's go.
In response to the probe initiated by House Speaker Martin Romualdez, the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB clarified that they do not control the freedom of transport cooperatives in selecting vehicles to replace traditional jeepneys. This statement comes amid allegations of collusion between former and current transport officials to negotiate the importation of modern jeepneys.
Yung pagbili po ng sasakyan ng ating mga transport service entities ay wala pong mandato doon ang DOTR sa LTFRB.
The LTFRB emphasized that transport cooperatives are not limited to choosing modern jeepneys resembling minibuses. There are 54 approved designs that meet Philippine national standards, providing a range of options for cooperatives.
Hindi po limited yung ating design. For as long as makapag-comply ng specification at po yung mga requirement na nakalagay sa PNS ay pwede po nilang bilhin yun.
Furthermore, the LTFRB expressed government support for local manufacturers to produce modernized public transportation vehicles. LTFRB Chairman Attorney Chofilo Guadis III highlighted a recent visit to Francisco Motors in December, where they showcased an electric jeepney. This locally produced alternative retains the iconic look of traditional jeepneys and is more cost-effective than imported models.
Ang payo po namin sa kanya is to have himself accredited with the Philippine National Standards para po makasama siya doon sa mga pwede pong sumali na bilihan ng mga jeepney ng mga cooperative.
In the midst of these developments, the Office of the Transportation Cooperatives asserted the preparedness of the Department of Transportation or DOTR family to address any corruption allegations related to the implementation of the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program or PUVMP.
Definitely wala pong katotohanan because first of all, nagkaroon na nga ng accusations at wala po nangyari sa katotohanan, but definitely again, we will be there.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and
Alright,
Rescue.
tayo po ang ating balita ngayon dito sa Pilipinas, pagpapalit ng PUV jeepney. At gagawa pala sila ng electric, kamukha rin ng traditional jeep. At magkano kaya ito? At subaybayan po natin ang ating Pinas ngayon. Ayan, Pinas balita ngayon. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, patnubay na panonood at pakikinig dito kay Karob Trip, and peace out.